At Brightlink AV, we specialize in large-scale LED video wall installations, delivering exceptional results for projects of any size. From pre-install planning and development to custom drawings, we work closely with our clients to ensure seamless integration in virtually any environment. Our focus on quality and professionalism sets us apart, all while staying under budget compared to the competition. Our team brings more than just skill. We bring expertise and precision. The knowledge and experience of our installation team are just as important as the quality of the LED walls we provide, ensuring every detail is handled with care. Our technology ensures reliability and ease of use. We use a single cabinet design with all-in-one receiving cards, paired with premium-grade LED modules for durability and front access maintenance. Additionally, our NovaStar LED controllers offer unmatched reliability and customization for installations of any scale, supporting a wide range of input types. The result? A stunning, high-performance LED video wall that grabs attention. At the completion of your project, you'll be left with a high-brightness, high-resolution display that not only impresses, but also functions as a top-tier billboard. It will captivate your audience and effectively convey your message, ensuring you have their full attention.